All right, so our next step is to set the high temperature setting. This is going to be the temperature that the alarm is going to go off if your tires to reach it and start to climb over. Now, the reason for this would be either extremely hot ground, a bearing that's starting to go bad, or maybe a hung up brake assembly. So at any rate, I am told 20 degrees over ambient temperature up to is pretty normal. Anything over that's when you got to start to worry. These are defaulted at 158 degrees. You can go lower, but I'm also told that it takes a lot more temperature than that for a tire to come apart. So I've always left it at the default. Never had a problem with that, but I'm going to show you how to get in the menu anyways. So you flip up your power button. Once it fires up, we're going to go back into that menu, the settings menu, by holding down the set button till it beeps once. Then I'm going to use the plus and minus to scroll through the menu until there's low pressure, there's high temp. So I'm going to hit the set button again. I'm going to go into it. Now this temperature is for all sensors. You cannot do different pressures like we could when we were setting the PSI. So, different temperatures. Like we set different pressures when we were doing the PSI. It's one temperature for every sensor. Now, you can go plus and minus, if you want to go up and down. I've always just left it at 158. Never had a problem, felt pretty confident at that. I just always watch it, and I'm told again, 20 degrees over ambient temperature. Once it starts climbing over, that's when you got to begin to worry. Once you get out of here, you just hit the set button, turn this thing off, you turn it back on, and you're going to see that you're out of the menu and it's set. Still, no tires are showing. We are now going to assign the sensors to the specific location so you know if a tire is having an issue, what tire is having the issue, and when it's blinking, what tire it's giving you the readings for.